Today we will be installing the tilt toilet incline lift at this residence. The toilet that we will be installing the tilt on has an elongated seat. The tools needed for this installation are a 5/8 inch wrench, a 9/16 inch wrench, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin the installation by unscrewing the two bolts that secure the seat and lid to the toilet bowl. Once these bolts are unscrewed, removed, and set aside, take off the existing seat and lid from the toilet and set it out of the way. Now, bring in the tilt frame and set it in place on the toilet bowl. Using the hardware provided, place the mounting screw through the hole in the tilt frame and into the hole on the toilet bowl. Hold the top of the screw in place. Attach the plastic nut to the bottom side of the screw and begin finger tightening until snug. Using the 9/16 wrench, tighten the screw on the top while tightening the plastic nut with the 5/8 wrench on the bottom. Repeat this process on the other side. You can now prepare to position and mount the motor. Grab the two arms and pull them forward until the seat slightly overextends. This will allow the seat to stay in position while the motor is being put into place and mounted. Using the red dots as a guide, place the motor mount over the bolt. Push the motor mount down below and behind the frame bracket. Make sure the motor mount rests completely inside the frame bracket. Using the two blue dots as a guide, push the seat down into its down position. Hold the top shaft of the motor and align the motor mount slot over the top frame motor mount bracket and push in the pin. Simply hook the push button control on the arm and plug the unit into a standard wall outlet nearby. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your tilt toilet incline lift installation. For cleaning instructions, you can follow a few simple steps. Using the push button control, raise the tilt into its up position. Lift the toilet seat up and grab the front of the shield. Pull upward, then forward until the shield slides off of its frame. Use a soft cloth with warm water and mild soap to wipe the shield down. Refer to the instruction manual for further cleaning details. Once the shield has been cleaned, you can reinstall it by placing it forward then downward in place on the frame. Using the push button control, lower the tilt into its down position and it's ready to be used.